Hello, hello. Great to see everyone. How's it going? Maya, good to see you. I'm glad you made it. How you doing? Let me know where you're reporting live from. Are you in New York, Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, Staten? Let me know. I'm so curious to know. Fardeen, great to have you here. How you doing?
Good.
Let me know in the chat. Okay, great. Great to have you here. I am Coach Nina, CEO and founder of Student Dream. So it's so great to have you a part of our fourth installment of Student Investors Club. Let me know where you're signing in from. NYC. All right. Which borough? Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, Staten. Let me know in the chat. Awesome. Awesome. All right. So this is okay, Queens. Nice. Great. So welcome back. For anybody who is new here, who may not be familiar with all the awesomeness of Student Dream, my name is Nina Uguomo, and I'm the CEO and founder of Student Dream. And we are a financial education company that empowers Black and Brown youth to build Black wealth. So if you are exhausted of being broke, just tired of being broke, confused, stressed out when it comes to having a vision for your money and career, we create courses and content around personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship and music licensing that help you get to your first dollar of wealth before, during, and after graduation, and really also help you to just financially relax, hit your money goals, and get to that first dollar of wealth. And so we've been doing that since 2012, and it's really exciting work. And it's been great just to see students pay off debt, start investing in the stock market, uh, build up great credit, buy their first homes, get great jobs that they like and enjoy, internships that are paid and line up with their goals. And we want to be able to do the same for you. So this is our installment of Budget Like a Billionaire, right? And so I love this Budgeting Like a Billionaire session because it is really the foundation of getting you financially healthy. And so my goal for you all, we've talked about financial vision. We've talked about setting financial goals. And so this session of Budgeting Like a Billionaire is really designed to help you create a financial plan, right? What's that plan of action that's actually going to get you where you need to be and where you want to be? So my goal for the next few minutes is to really help set that up for you and help you get clear on what you. All right. So that's really the focus here, is just to help you get set up with what your financial plan is. What's that plan of action that's actually going to get you to where you want to be and where you need to be? All right. So let me know in the chat, what are your actual money targets when it comes to financial planning? Have you ever done anything like that? Like, I would love to hear your story. Think about All right. So when we think about how you're going to work to put together your financial plan, you need to, of course, start with the things we talked about in the last three sessions. You want to know what your vision is. You want to know what your goals are. You want to be super clear with those goals. You want to have the motivation that you need, be aware of where your mindset currently is around money and where it needs to change, and also understanding where you are emotionally around money and being able to process all the feelings that you have associated with that. And once you do that, then you're ready to put together a financial plan. And what I love about a plan is that it's your blueprint, it's your plan of action. It's what's going to help you to know exactly what you're going to do each day, each week, each month, each quarter, each year to hit your overall goal. Okay, so that's really what we want to start with. And so you want to ask yourself, when it comes to, based on my vision, based on my goals, what's my plan of action? Right? Is your plan of action on the earning side, does that mean you have to go and look for a new job or a part-time job or working overtime so you can hit some of those earnings goals? On the savings side, does that mean you have to open up a high yield savings account or automate your savings or find a part-time job so that you can have more money to save or move some things around from your spending